Let me show you few interesting part where I am trying my best, part of my short small hobbies or side hobby. And here is the kitchen garden. I made it in the terrace of this building where I'm living. The area is Meghalaya, near the Guwahati city, and it is in Pilinkata. And here our neighbors are there. This is the building of our marine friends. It's two houses, white house. And here is the house of Reverend Joseph Lamka. And there is the Bible College IITS where I'm serving. And here is the mountains. Well, stone minings are taking place. Pilinkata and Maikuli area near Guwahati. And this area seems to be a Manipuri small village. It's located in Meghalaya near the Guwahati town. It's a beautiful place. And here is a big building, Manipuri Fellowship, Manipuri Church. And the building where I live here is also belongs to one of our Auntie Ruth Com, and her husband is retired doctor, Dr. Taime. Here is the building. We have the two syntax of water supply. It's a borewell, self family one. And with this, I am taking care my family garden. Here is the mussel leaves. Listen, they plant. They need every time a good hand. Give them the proper water in time. And this is what I call anthur in my language. It's sour leaves, very nice. The leaves, especially with the chicken, we can make soup. Nice, can cook. In south, they make the gangora, kind of the pickle. It's a very nice one. Those who have tasted. And this flour itself, we can dry and make a smaller kind of powder. Can take with tea, and our local people made it special local kind of tea with this flour. Nice flavor. And again, another one. Here is the papaya. Thus far, I have planted so many papaya, and this is the only papaya still remaining yet to bear. I'm expecting the fruit will give. Small flowers has start sprouting, and they need good water supply due to they are in the terrace in a hot place. Because I don't put the green kind of net over here. If I put the shadow for them, it could be safer. Sorry for that. And this is the straw spring onion collected from Manipur, recently planted just 1 month ago. Plants are still suffering, they need good manual. And here is the Naga spring onion. Even we can eat root, we can eat the garlic. And here is the Manipuri special Iromba spices. The plant name is Bayangpar, we call Bayangpar. I'm not sure in Manipuri. And here is also the same fruits which I have, sour lips, and then small papaya. And here is the actually jungle ginger. The fruits of ginger is quite small, just small finger type, but it smell very good. It is very different from our normal ginger. Still planting. Here I have this chili for last almost 3 years. It's already complete 3 years. Still bearing. It give nice fruits. And one pair of the tree has been gone, dried, due to the place. Still taking care. Almost 3 years this chili has supplied my family and my neighbors and our students who are nearby. And this mussel leaves is planned for our director sir, and he loved to eat mussel leaves, so I preserve for him. Time to time I pluck and give him, whether he cook, whether he ate in raw. So this is for him I plant. And then some of the leaves, these are good. We don't need to buy, we don't need to hurry in the market, run for cooking, making, and they are good for this one omelette making. Can boil and eat. We can make chutney, we can cook with anything, fish, meat, any vegetable. When you make the spicy curry, these are very helpful. This is Moroi Napakpi. It's also kind of spring garlic onion type. They grow. We can harvest weekly and it will keep supply to you. Naturally it will just grow. Once you cut, it will just sprout it again. This is the kind of miracle vegetable, spicy. And this is the chili plant I have. It grows like bush. Almost 1 kilo. I think it's more than 1 kilo I have plucked. And this chili has supply for many people thus far my knowledge is concerned. And I planted in the water, this fish box, just collected by 30 rupees, sometimes 50 rupees, the good one, and then put it the manual. If we can put this cow dung, that will be the best for chilies. As for me, I collect this kind of the rubbish here around the kitchen waste and some of the compound kind of the grasses, cut down, dry them, burn them, the ashes I supply them in the garden. That's why some plants are suffering, some plants are enjoying, because the ashes carry a lot of what we call salty. And here is the chili I still have. This is the Sikkim chili. Sikkim chili is very small chili. They're about to die, it's still surviving. Last year I was having good one. This time they're very small. I have to replant again. This is the chili I have. And the other thing is, I still have this is the water that I reserve. Every evening I keep for them, and morning I pour, evening sometime I pour. And let me just show you the another items I have. Actually this is the what I call tomato. This is cherry tomato, and still yet to come up. They have their own season. So this is the cherry tomato. I still keep with me. This is the main kind of branch, and here is also some tomatoes. These are the bazaar tomatoes actually. So I don't need to worry. If they bear, they bear. If they don't bear, it's okay. I still supply water for them. Time to time, I put my hand, clean them. Vegetable always, they need our hand. They need our smell also. Then they grow. If we don't see them 2 days, 3 days, then they dry or they become weak. So what we do is time to time we come and let them smell a smell, and we touch them. We put manual with them, water, the other things. This is the small garden I have, my friends. Just to view together. This is the Bosta bag, which I have collected the waste from my kitchen. Sometimes rice waste, sometimes the vegetable peeling one, and then those waste I have collected. It is 1 year of waste. At least I have collected 2 bags, and I make it rotten. After 1 year, I will reuse it again for good manure. So nothing lost. We can do better than this if we are interested. We can put this greenhouse and can make so many garden to grow. So we don't need to spend much our time in the market or money. And this is the best refrigerator, better than the electrical refrigerator. You can keep vegetable here a month at least, and they keep growing. So many things to grow. If you are interested, please start doing. It will help you. Thank you for watching.